I should say that godliness is what we should engage in every day. Na tayo ay tinawag ng Diyos, sa makatwid, dapat tayo ay maging makadiyos.
Amen.
Amen.
Tayo ay tinawag na maging tagalangit, dapat makalangit din ang ating buong pagkatao. At hindi dumarating ang bagay na tayo ay maging makadiyos na basta-basta lamang. You don't wait for a mere dream to happen so that it will push you to be godly. Don't get me wrong, I like having good dreams, pero ang panaginip ay hindi ang magdadala sa atin na maging makadiyos.
Tunay.
Hindi tayo magkakaroon at maghihintay ng parang special na religious experience para tayo ay maging makadiyos. Those things are good, they're nice when you have that special moments with God, like singing a nice worship song unto the Lord, or, drawing a good sense of vibe and energy when we are around other believers. Those things have a place, but they are not really what's gonna make us godly.
Tunay.
What's gonna make us godly is what is written here in 1 Timothy in chapter 4, verse 7, wherein it says, train yourself to be godly.
Amen.
Train. Sanayin ninyo na maging makadiyos.
Amen.
Train yourself to be godly. So, may pangangailangan na tayo ay magsanay. And when you thought of exercise or training, when I read it, you are correct. That's exactly what we need to do. We need to exercise. We need to train.
Amen.
Sa makatwid, merong kahalagahan ang programa. May kahalagahan ang tinatawag na regimen na tinatawag. Kailangan dito ang repetition. Kailangan nito
Yes.
ang regularity. Kailangan nito ang consistency. So, ganyan ang exercise. I mean, if you really want to enjoy wellness, you need to exercise. And you need to exercise on a regular, consistent, proper, and constant basis.